Hello class, welcome to the PTA program and PTA 110. Today we're going to discuss the class structure so that you can be prepared for what's due. We try to keep everything structured so that you understand when the due dates are and then you know what is expected of you. First of all your guided reading is due at 11:59 on Monday before the class on Tuesday. So you're expected to read whatever unit we will be discussing. The guided reading is supposed to help you pick out those main concepts about what we will be discussing. In the learning management system, there will also be short video lectures to help you understand the material while completed the guided reading. There's kinesiology in action, has extra activities, videos, practice quizzes to help you master the content and prepare for exams. Sometimes those will be assigned, but for the most part, they're there for you to practice with to gain a better understanding of the material. On Fridays after the lecture, students will have a timed open book quiz. You should study for these quizzes because you will not have time to look up the answers without already being familiar with the material. When the quiz is submitted, the incorrect answers will be released without the correct answers. Students are expected to submit those correct answers with the rationale by Sunday at 11:59. This helps me see your thought process, then I'm able to provide feedback on whether your thinking is correct or propose another way to think about that question. Each unit will have a discussion post. Students should post a YouTube video related to the weekly material. The video is a writing prompt. Students should summarize the video and explain why the footage helped them understand the content better, utilizing the vocabulary from the unit. The student will then watch two classmates' videos and summarize those videos. Please do not report verbatim the classmate's summary. Use your own summary and discuss why the video helped improve the understanding of the topic. We also have a professional behavior rubric, which we grade you on at every test based on how your behavior was as related to what's expected to be a physical therapist assistant. So things that you're graded on is how do you contribute to groups, how actively you participate with collaboration, take responsibility for your own learning, meet deadlines, show up, be on time, treat peers and faculty with respect. If you do that really well, we give you extra 2 points on your tests. If you just meet the standards and come in and do what's expected, your test grade stays the same. But if you're late, you're not showing up, you're not contributing groups, we can deduct 2 points from your test. The beginning of the class, arrive 10 minutes early and complete the activity that's assigned to prepare for the start of the class. So it's usually some type of formative assessment, some writing to learn, or a quiz, or a think, pair, share activity. So that way we'll be ready to start class right on time. As far as breaks, you will get one break because this is a 2-hour class. Please wait for the break so you do not miss any contact. If you have a known issue, you may need to step out and inform the instructor at the beginning of the class. Testing purposes. A lot of people get testing anxiety and they worry about it, but I want you to look at this testing as more of a feedback opportunity. All our tests are multiple choice because they are to prepare for take that licensure test. We only have you for 3 semesters to practice excelling at test taking multiple choice tests. So that's why all of our tests are multiple choice. So you should use that as feedback about what concepts you understood and have masters and what concepts still need more work. The timing of the tests are to make sure you're keeping up with the concepts in the pace required to complete the program and take the licensure on time. This program is very fast paced, so that's why we have to have these formative and summative assessments rather quickly so that you know that you're staying on top of the material. So be proactive with your resources, with your peer tutors, your LACE instructors, so that you're not behind. Tests are not a judgment on your intelligence, but is a reflection on your preparation and if you're able to apply your knowledge to the physical therapy interventions. Lifelong learning. We have a lifelong learning requirement because as a physical therapist assistant, you have to stay up on the latest techniques. So here is what's expected from you. First of all, you're expected to be involved in professional the professional association. You can either attend an IPTA meeting, or those are usually online, or help with promoting the program at many events. Then there's a volunteer activity, so it's 4 hours per didactic semester. Try My Best Triathlon, IPTA walk, polar plunger, all are opportunities for you to get your hours in. But then you can also reach out to Student Life and instructors for more opportunities. Make sure you get those approved first. And then we have PTA club meetings, 1 per didactic semester, and 1 hour of continuing education per didactic semesters. This is hopefully to set up some professional habits for when you graduate that you will continue with those. So if you have any questions about the structure of the class, please let me know. You can keep referring back to this video to make sure that you are meeting what is required and meeting those deadlines on time. Thank you.